Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy Be, we're going to put together easy apple Danish. This Danish can be put together in about 30 minutes. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and it's breakfast time. Let me show you the ingredients. There are two main ingredients to this dish. You're going to need 1 can of Crescent dough sheets and 1 can of apple pie filling. You want to take your dough and roll it out to about 12 inches. Then you're going to take some melted butter and we're going to spread that all over the dough. You're going to get everything nice and buttery. Then you want to take some cinnamon sugar and sprinkle that over the dough. If you do not have cinnamon sugar, you simply add some cinnamon, equal parts cinnamon and sugar. Mix those two together and you have cinnamon sugar. Now it's time to add our apple pie filling. And if you're interested in doctoring up your pie filling, I'm going to place an iCard right here above. And it's up under my mini apple pies. But if you don't want to doctor it up, you can simply use your apple pie filling straight from the can. Place your filling in the center of your dough. And you want to leave a ½ inch at the top and bottom of the dough because we have to seal this. To seal your dough, you're going to simply bring in each side and we're going to pinch those together. Now this is going to be our bottom part, so don't worry about how it looks because it's going to be on the bottom once we flip it. Be sure to go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And I have here a piece of parchment paper that I'm placing into a cookie sheet, and that I'm going to take my dough and go ahead and flip it over so the seam side can be down. This is a little bit challenging because the dough is really soft, but take your time and just flip it over just like that and reshape your dough. You guessed right. We're going to add some more melted butter right on top of that dough. And once we've done that, we're going to take more cinnamon sugar and sprinkle it right on top of there. Using a knife, you want to add slits to your pie dough to allow the steam to escape as your pie bakes. And we are ready to place this into our oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, this is the finished product. But we're not done yet. We're going to add a little twist to it. So we are simply going to add some powdered sugar, some milk, and vanilla flavor together to make us a simple little glaze to put over our lovely apple Danish. Once you get your glaze to your desired consistency, take it and place it into a Ziploc bag, cut the corner, and drizzle it all over your Danish. It's the added little twist. And what's a Danish without a little glaze? May I present to you my foot-long apple Danish with glaze. It has come to my favorite part of the video. It's time to plate. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me today. It has been my absolute pleasure to bring to you my foot-long easy apple Danish. It is definitely delicious and homemade quality. I promise you, this quick and easy little Danish will not disappoint you. It is great to have for a quick breakfast, a cup of coffee on the side, and you're ready to go. I want to thank you all for watching and taking the time out to watch my video. It's well appreciated. And if you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you would know the next time I upload a video. And next week, I ask you to please come and join me. I will show you how I make a slush punch. This punch is a game changer. So come back next week and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Until then, keep life simple and I'll see you next time. Bye now.